Nose of the Grindstone. Daddy worked like a mule mining Pike County coal. He fucked up his back and couldn't work anymore. He said, one of these days you'll get out of these hills. Keep your nose on the grindstone and out of the pills. See, the ways of this world will just bring you to tears. Keep the Lord in your heart and you'll have nothing to fear. Live the best that you can and don't lie and don't steal. Keep your nose on the grindstone and out of the pills. Well, Daddy, I've been trying, I just can't catch a break. There's too much in this world that I can't seem to shake. But I remember your words, Lord, they bring me to chills. Keep your nose on the grindstone and out of the pills. Keep in mind that a man's just as good as his word. It takes twice as long to build bridges you've burnt. And there's hurt you can cause, time alone cannot heal. Keep your nose on the grindstone and out of the pills. Well, Daddy, I've been trying, I just can't catch a break. There's too much in this world I can't seem to shake. But I remember your words, Lord, they bring me to chills. Keep your nose on the grindstone and out of the pills. Keep your nose on the grindstone. Tina Nolan had a man with a good place for sifting. He invited me digging, so I picked up my screen and a shovel to dig and a jar of shine. Traded me fair for a bottle of wine, his brother's Barnes Mountain Wine. We trudged through the snow, straight up the hillside. Took a ridge for a while, then we slowly went down to an overhang. Hid from the ridge line, we bent over our handles and we bit in the ground, dark and bloody ground. Was a bitch to break ground, but the wine kept us going. The moonshine was flowing and keeping us warm, 'cause you can't hold a girl with a fistful of shovel Gotta find your fire in the company of corn. We dug for a while, then it all turned to ashes. Found a bunch of broke flint and a few bits of bone. Then I heard Jesse yell over the pile he was sifting. Shook the hills like the angels were calling us home. Jesse, Zachary, come home. It was banded as hell, it was fluted in Clovis. It was hot as the pistol I kept on my side. And I was fiending so fierce, I was broke ass and busted. I pulled out my pistol and I took Jesse's life. Clothes like that is a hard point to find. Makes a pale swift to come by with a good chunk of change. Left over for burn on whatever meanness, whatever woman is coming my way. Darling, come my way. I sit in this cell for the banded Clovis. I stole off a Nolan when I killed him that day. I reckon the chase of the pills and the powder, corn liquor and women are the culprits to blame.